How to generate leads in real estate business from Instagram. Yes, you heard it right. Today's topic is all about step-by-step process of generating leads that can get converted into your clients and you can earn a huge incentive or bonus. But if you want to know the process, watch this video till the end. I am Dr. Amol Mourya, real estate coach, real estate trainer, real estate author and entrepreneur. And I'll tell you 5 practical steps that can help you to generate good quality leads from real estate business, and few of them are free of cost. Yes, you heard it right. You don't have to spend the money in 4 techniques out of these 5. Yes, you heard it right. First thing is by making a professional profile. The most important thing in the real estate industry is having a good professional profile. When you're talking about generating a lead in real estate from Instagram, your profile should look like a professional profile. A good profile pic, a good introduction to yourself, like star properties, best property solutions provider in Dubai or in Canada or in Delhi or in Mumbai. The second line would be with 10 plus years, with 5 plus years, with 2 plus years experience, served more than 100 plus clients, 1000 clients, 5000 clients, based on the real experience you have. Giving quality product is our commitment. This kind of tagline you can use. Now, this kind of professional profile makes your client more comfortable to deal with you whenever he search for a particular person, one who is giving him or suggesting him property. So you have to give your professional introduction, your profile with good profile pic. And now what is the second step to generate lead from the Instagram? Point number 2 is by making value added infographic posts and carousels. This is very important, listen it properly. If you make a 1-page infographic post, suppose related with how real estate is performing in your country, or how co-living concept is increasing, or how infrastructure is playing an important role in real estate, or what are the 5 advantages of investing in your own city, this kind of infographic post play a very important role. And at the end of that post, you can add a call to action CTA. You can add a CTA in your content as well. So people read your infographic information and then they read your content, and at the end it was given for more detailed information or for site visit, you can contact on particular number. Second, the most important thing what I have told is carousels. Carousel is 4-step, 5-step kind of slides where you add those slides in a sequence. Do you want to buy a property in suppose Pune? Point number 1. Are you really interested in buying? Second slide. I have 3 options for you: East Pune, West Pune, North Pune, XYZ. Why West Pune is the best option? And 5th slide is why this project is the best option. If you want to visit the project, call now. This is the way you can make carousels as well related with your particular project. No doubt you require skills for this. No doubt you need an information related with technology and its use as well. But that's the catch, my dear friends. If you will not upgrade yourself related with the skill, if you will not upgrade your knowledge which is required, then you cannot grow as a realtor in your own city or state or your country. If you really want to polish your skills, you can contact on our hotline number as well, and our team will tell you how we can help you in polishing your skills and increasing your real estate knowledge. Third, by making quality reels and adding CTA. Nowadays, video marketing is playing a very important role. So if you are capable enough, if you have the required skills to make good videos and the reels, you can take the help of AI as well. It is not necessary to show your face and do shooting. You can just use your camera and you can give your voice. You can explain the property just like I'll give a live demo. Hi friends, today I'll introduce you to this wonderful apartment. It is of 40 flats. I'll show you a sample flat. A sample flat is of 1100 square feet, a 2 BHK flat with a hall area of 20 by 11, a wonderful hall, along with a dining area of 10 by 8, along with a kitchen of 12 by 10 size in square feet, along with a master bedroom 14 by 10 square feet, along with a guest bedroom of 12 by 11. And you'll get 2 wonderful terraces, you'll get 1 balcony. So a wonderful flat is available for you. If you want to see this property, call on the below given number. This is the demo which I have given for your reference. So this kind of reel with CTA. At the end, you have to say, if you want to see this property, call on the below given number. This is the CTA, call to action, which you have to give if you really want to generate good quality leads from your Instagram profile. Point number 4, by doing collaboration and IG live. Nowadays, collaborations were playing a major role. If you collaborate with someone and if you do Instagram live, or if you shoot a video or a reel, that can attract good followers, good leads for you for your future. that can increase the visibility of your profile. So remember, these all 4 practical steps are very important. But before that, if you have not subscribed our channel, click on subscribe button, hit on bell icon. We don't want you to miss practical videos like this in future. Point number 5, by running a paid campaign. Yes, you can utilize your profile by putting a good campaign or a post which is performing good. You can boost that post so that through that post you can get more followers, more leads, and you can convert now that lead into a client by calling them, by doing proper site visit, by handling their objection, and by closing the deals. Lead is just 20%, my dear friends. I always say this 10 to 20% role is of leads. After that, you need a proper calling mechanism. You need a proper follow-up mechanism. You need a proper site visit mechanism. You need a system for all this. And after that, you need object query handling, objection handling, and closing. If you complete all this, then and then you can close the deal in the real estate industry. If you feel that we can help you in learning all these practical skills, you can call on a below given number, or you can fill a form which is given in the description. Thank you so much for liking our videos. Thank you so much for loving our content. Thank you so much for allowing us to produce content for you on a regular basis. If you want us to make video on any other topic, do comment below. If you feel that these points are very important, just write down any point which you have missed before this, or any mistake which you are doing whenever you are promoting your real estate from the Instagram. Thank you so much for making a book Real Estate Game Changer national bestseller book. We'll meet you in the next video.